Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how I used the one trade and done strategy to get myself 2 brand new $50,000 funded accounts. Check it out. Oh, but Jesse, the one trade and done strategy is very risky. It's the one and done. What are you doing, guy? How many times are you blowing up? Okay. Please, you got to go back and watch my other video, the other video where I went into extra details on the one trade and done strategy. In this video, I'm going to give you a little bit of a tidbit on it. If you're a brand new trader, then honestly, this strategy probably isn't for you. Can you learn from it? Yes, you absolutely can learn from it. Can you adjust it for your own? Yes, you absolutely could. Instead of it being the one trade and done or the one and done strategy, you could make it the 3 and done strategy, meaning you take 3 trades and you pass your evaluation. You can adjust it accordingly to your goals. Now, if you really want to learn how to do it, go watch the previous video. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 trades I took, and each one was just one and done. And one was a short and one was a long setup, because sometimes people think all I do is go short. Oh, Jesse, you must be the biggest bear in the world. Nah, I'm just a trader. I'm an opportunistic trader, meaning that I'm going to sit here and I'm going to watch and wait for my setups to come, and then I'm going to trade accordingly. As a matter of fact, in these 2 trades you're going to see, the long setup was way better, and I'm talking about way better than the short setup. Either way, both were one and done and got me $50,000 accounts. Now, I take advantage of the one and done when Apex is running their one data pass specials on their evaluations. It's great. Now, I always still do it anyways, because let's say that you're trading it within the normal time frame where you have to trade in the evaluation for 7 days in order to get funded. That's fine. I'll still go after the one and done setups. And if I nail it and hit the profit goal in one trade, that's perfect. Then I just spend 6 days trading micros on it, in and out, just flipping the contract in and out until I complete my evaluation time frame. Now, regardless of that, the one and done is very powerful because, for me anyways, and intermediate and other advanced traders, we don't waste time, meaning we don't just sit here trying to make $100 every day or $500 every day, trying to, on average anyways, trying to pass that account in a couple of weeks. We're trying to pass this account in 1 day. Typically speaking, more often than not, it works beautifully. It saves me a bundle of time. I always get my payouts from those accounts. So it's not like, oh my God, Jesse, well, you just lost a bunch of money. Even when you get your payout, all you did was barely break even. You probably still read. No, it doesn't work that way, because when you are an advanced trader or an intermediate trader, it means that you're generally having really, really good risk management. You have really, really good accuracy. So you're going to be right more often than you're not. So you'll be able to pass these evaluations, get yourself into these funded accounts, and then 10 days later or so, be able to get your payouts out. Okay. So I'm going to show you these 2 trades. The first one is going to be a short setup. This one, when I look back on it, I do feel like it was a bit of a chase because we had dumped really hard already. I did wait for a quick little bounce back, and that bounce back, while you look at it in the 3-minute chart, it doesn't look that good. I was using the larger time frame, and we had just bounced back up into an area that was previously a strong support zone. So I said, okay, this is my area here. I'm going to go ahead and grab my short, and I'm just looking for the momentum to continue. It wasn't so much of as a bear flag, because it wasn't so much as it was a sort of pattern, more than just a momentum play that I took on this short setup. I'm going to play both of these videos for you unedited so you can watch and play out. Both were one and done, and they were both $50,000 accounts, meaning I just needed $3,000 in order to get the evaluation passed. Right now, before we move further, check out the links in the description and comment section. I got 2 links down there I want you to check out. The first one being the Apex. With my coupon code, you're going to get the biggest discount available. All right. And then if you want to trade futures with a top tier broker, check out the link down there in the comment section and in the description section to the broker I'm eyeing in order to do just that. Now let's go ahead and jump into the first trade. And I hope you guys get a really good insight into what I was looking at. So right there, when we bounced right back up into where I was actually short from, I started to get concerned because you could see, if you look to the left, there's going to be a little bounce area, and we were bouncing in front of that zone. I thought we were going to get deeper into it and probably even flush through it before any possible bounce came through, but we started to bounce in front of it. I started to feel uncomfortable because I was like, damn, man, I'm going to blow this one because the trailing stop's going to get me. My stop was just over that 35 zone, so I was only risking about 7 points. So I'm thinking to myself, well, I'm just going to let this thing play out because, well, this is the one and done type of strategy. And I have my stop defined. I'm going to wait and see if we can get back down there. Hopefully the trailing stop doesn't get me. Generally speaking, the enemy of the one and done strategy is the trailing stop. So you got to be mindful of that. You got to be willing to risk it, honestly. And you have to try to get a really solid entry. The one and done strategy is really good because it makes me be more picky with my entries. So there you go, guys. Right there, we hit the spot. We actually extended a lot further than I thought we would. And I remember after that, we recovered and chopped around most of the day, leading into the close. Now, right there, that was it. Over $3,000. That was a funded account right there. As a matter of fact, I just finished paying the PA fee. So it's a funded account now. Now, with that one and done, I took the rest of the morning off, honestly, because I figured the chop was going to come. So I just secured that funded account and took the rest of the morning off. Now let's go ahead and jump into the long setup. The long setup I loved even way more. And it's great because when I was in the morning on the Discord, I typed, guys, I'm watching this 510 area. If it holds support, I think we can push higher. We pulled back into that zone. I got long, and the rest is history. Let's go ahead and check that one out. Area was previous level of resistance, and right now we dipped right on into it, recovered it rather quickly. So looking for a push back up there towards those highs. If we get it, then that'll give me another $50,000 funded trading account. Oh, looks like we're going to get it, guys. Looks like it's coming. Come on, give us that little push. Just need a few more points. It's coming. It's coming. 2650, 27. There it is. Boom. And there it is, guys. $3,119. Another funded account using the one and done strategy. Now, this, I really liked it because that was that 510 zone. We pulled back into it, held it, bounced right off of it. It was beautiful. We did extend a little bit further, and then a few minutes later, we actually pulled right back in, much nicer, much calmer, much orderly into that zone, and we bounced off of it again, allowing for anybody that had missed out on the initial entry to be able to jump back into that one or add back to it or whatever the case may be and partake in another leg on up or at least another bounce off of that 510 zone. Now, the key to the one and done is finding those levels that show strong support, show strong resistance, and then mitigating risk, jumping in there, knowing where your stop zone is, trying to get the best possible entry, and then taking profits at the level that you're looking for so that you can get that funded account. Your risk to reward parameters have to be sound. Otherwise, you're going to hurt yourself more often than not. So if you have any questions about that strategy or any questions about trading futures or for the prop firms, drop a comment in the comment section of this video and hit me up. Let me know. Also, you can visit the daytraderchatroom.com. You can find my course there or down there in the description and comment section on how to pass evaluation accounts. Any questions, don't hesitate to reach out through the website as well. Smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my next video. And I'll catch you on another one. Peace.